Hey guys, welcome to today's video. My name is Lucas, and today I'm going to be showing you a workflow where you can get a design from Figma, let's say this one, for example, and then you can eventually open up that design inside of a tool like Codex or Claude Code. In this case, I use Codex, but as you can see, we have this over here in the local host, and I can, make this wide, make this narrow, and it's all responsive. And by the way, guys, this is all like a free workflow. Obviously, there are certain things that are limiting. You can't do this like with unlimited amount of sites with a free account, but you can do this with a few. You can do this to get started and see how it works. So in today's video, we're going to be going through this flow. I'm going to be showing you how it works, how to get it set up, and how to use it for Claude Code and for Codex. So guys, without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. And before we get started with today's video, I'd love to invite you all to my free Discord community, the Creator Network. We get together every single weekday to talk about different tools and topics and workflows. So if you guys are interested in that conversation, link is down below. Now, the first thing that you want to do here is you want to go to the MagicPath docs under external agents. I'll link this down below, but basically you can just install this skill by copying this here, and then you can go into Codex, you can go into Claude Code. It works for both, and say install this skill, then paste that in here. Then you want to just submit this. And in order for this to work, we just have to restart Codex or Claude Code. So I restarted it. And then we just want to write authenticate me. And then what we want to do is we want to open this side panel on the side, click on browser, and let's search for magicpath.ai, because this essentially is going to be like our canvas. And then we can open up a new project. Now going back to Figma, we want to select this frame that we want to use. So in this case, I'm going to use this one. This is like a landing page with different blog posts, different images, and we can right click, copy a link to selection, or hit Command L and then go back in here in Codex and paste this in here. And if you haven't done this already, it's going to ask you to authenticate via Figma. Very, very simple 20-second process. And once that's done, we get our design in MagicPath. And what's cool here is that we can select this, we can duplicate this, we can remix this duplicate, we can create different variants from this particular landing page, like try with different colors, different styles. So for example, I can do this, click onto variants and submit this, and then we have like 2 different style variants being generated beneath it. And then while these load, I can just select this component and I can say to Codex, can you see the selected component? And it says, yes, I can see this component. It's called Figma section. It's this ID number, this name, and from this project. And it's super simple. I can just say, let's build this design and run it on the local host. And by the way, I'm looking at the different style variants that we get. They're pretty interesting, right? We get like a new type of card, adding these little tags on the top left instead of on the bottom right. And then these are like a little bit more of like this neo-brutalism style. So pretty interesting styles to kind of explore. And then we basically get our design running on the local host. And now something else that we can try here is I can say something like, when I click on the cards, can you create a blog page? So for example, I can click on this card and now we get this blog page that it's pretty simple, nothing special really. We have this button that takes us back to the main page and the nav bar stays the same, which is great. But in terms of context, it's kind of boring. There's nothing really, it's not really a blog page. It's very, very simple. And this is the problem with just designing in Claude Code. It can do a pretty good job, like a very basic job, but it requires a lot more sophistication when it comes to the prompt. And so if we go back to MagicPath and we give the same prompt actually inside of MagicPath, MagicPath gives us a more complete design. It knows that this is a blog post. It gives us this nice, responsive design as well. We can scroll down. We have different quotes. We have paragraphs. We have more images. It understands the context and gives us like a ingredient list for this specific drink. And we have the other articles at the bottom. So overall, it's a much more complete design. And then we can just select this component again. And we can tell Codex, let's replace the blog template page with the design of the selected MagicPath component. And now what I can do is I can again run this on the local host, click on this, and now we have our page inside of the local host, working just how it looks like inside of MagicPath. And what's great is that this flow not only works for like websites, landing pages, or web apps, you can also use this for like mobile apps or Electron apps. So for example, I found this in the community inside of Figma, and I can just, again, select this frame, copy the link to selection, and then again, just paste this inside of MagicPath. And then using MagicPath via Claude Code. I can then prompt it to say, hey, let's create a cancellation page. Let's create a dashboard page, or let's create like a dashboard page, but for a completely different type of industry like sports betting. And as you can see, we get these 3 different variants. We can, for example, open it up in Xcode. We can create a new project, click on iOS app. Next, we can name it to whatever we want. And then you can eventually open this app up in Xcode, send it to the App Store, and go on from there. So yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed today's video. If you have any comments or questions, please let me know down in the comments below. And like always, thank you all so much for watching. Hope to see you next time. Goodbye.